Bethlehem. So, mga kapatid, by bus, it's around 1 hour, and they cross to this mountain to bring the body of King Herod the Great in one of his palace also, which is today known as Herodium. There is a hiking tour in the valley. Okay.
Send na lang po sa GC. Send na lang po sa GC.
Alright. Share na lang tayo ng mga pictures and videos sa GC natin. Oh wow. Very tight. So this is the way of the Good Samaritan story. Now you have to look on your left side for the best view of the valley.
Wow.
Oh, magnificent.
Wow.
Tignan niyo yung mga nag-hiking sa gilid. Oh, wow, mga kapatid. Well, the best driver, Kamal Givara. So, grabe yung bangin dito, ano?
Sir, saan po sila exit nila?
Exit nila, they're going down there in the
Jericho.
Okay.
Another way. Because the way it's Jordan in the 67 years.
So, nung sako pa ng Jordan, itong area nito, ito yung daanan noon.
Another way.
Wow. Imagine yung valley on the left side. Wow, it's a very dangerous valley.
Yeah. They're allowed
and
to walk.
That's why we have the story of yun nga, yung the Good Samaritan, and there are pirates in the desert in this place. Now we have the city of Jericho, the lowest city in the world. That's it, mga kapatid. So amazing, so beautiful. Wow, buti na lang malupit it is ang ating driver. Ano ba? Hiking route? Yan, sa left side.
Have you hiked?
Yeah, see the hiking.
Have you done, Pastor?
Not yet. Not yet. Pero dyan doon sa kabilang side, yung mga top ng mountains,
Jesus will go hiking here.
sa tuktok ng bundok, yun yung aming mga hinike naman.
Pastor, yung mga naglalakad po ngayon, ano po itong mga Orthodox?
Greek Orthodox. Galing doon sa monastery.
Wow.
And then they will go also to the monastery of the Temptation, yung view natin kahapon.
Yeah, yung restaurant.
Yung may restaurant sa taas.
Now I understand. Yeah, I understand now.
Kasi both the monastery is both Greek Orthodox monastery. Ayan, so we're here in the valley. Ay, at last, we're very safe.